Hey everybody, Matt from A to Z Diecast here again. Look what came fresh in the mail. Two of the 59 Chevy Delivery Zamac mail-ins, 2016 edition. So let's open one. Let's see what this thing looks like. Ooh, tape again. Damn you, Mattel, and your tape. All the money you're probably spending on tape, and really just get some better glue. Okay. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. Package fresh. '59 Chevy Delivery Zamac edition. I mean, it's nice detail. Louvers. I'm not a collector of this casting, so I've never really opened one and looked at it. Wheels don't move that well. Yeah. It's very heavy though. Let's see. Got the blue windshield. Nice grill. Tempo's normal. Number 6 is number 6 of the year. See if I can. There you go. Classic Chevy taillights. Not bad detail. This one's got a. For those of you who pay attention to that, I noticed this when I opened up the box. This has got a J18. This one's got a J17. I don't know. You guys, I guess, variation. Mike Zarnak. That's up to you. I don't know. But, so, yeah, not bad. I mean, if you're a Zamac collector, Chevy guy, wagon guy, whatever it is, but there it is. Doesn't roll that well. Blue windshield, I'm not a fan, but I guess it sticks with the hearse type look. You customizers, if you're buying stuff at Walmart, these are free $4 for the wheels. So yeah, I don't know what you want to do, but that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like our videos. Thanks for watching. Yeah, I don't have a fancy turntable yet.